Welcome to Effortless English Mini Story. Tom wakes up early. He yawns and stretches. He walks to the kitchen. He wants coffee. Tom opens the cupboard. Oh no, there is no coffee. He feels sad. Tom puts on his shoes. He goes outside. He walks to the store. At the store, he sees his friend, Jack. "Good morning, Jack," Tom says. Jack smiles. "Good morning, Tom. What are you doing?" "I need coffee," Tom says. Jack laughs. "I have extra coffee at home. Come with me." Tom and Jack walk to Jack's house. Jack gives Tom a big cup of hot coffee. Tom drinks it. "Delicious. Thank you, Jack." Tom is happy. Mini story questions and answers. Does Tom wake up early? Yes, Tom wakes up early. Does he wake up late? No, he doesn't wake up late. He wakes up early. Who wakes up early? Tom wakes up early. Does he run? No, he doesn't run. He yawns and stretches. What does he do? He yawns and stretches. What does Tom want? Tom wants coffee. Does Tom have coffee? No, Tom does not have coffee. How does Tom feel? Tom feels sad. Who does Tom see? Tom sees Jack. Where does Tom see Jack? Tom sees Jack at the store. Does Tom see a cat? No, Tom does not see a cat. He sees Jack. Does Jack have coffee? Yes, Jack has extra coffee. Does Jack have tea? No, Jack does not have tea. He has coffee. Where does Jack take Tom? Jack takes Tom to his house. What does Tom drink? Tom drinks coffee. Is the coffee bad? No, the coffee is delicious. How does Tom feel now? Tom feels happy. Remember, listen every day and enjoy learning English. See you soon. Bye-bye.